Hi, once again, welcome to Fire Life Safety Director Masterclass. Right now we're going to consider Section 4, which is Fire Life Safety Director Staff Training. Once again, the responsibility of the securing and saving of persons in the building is not 100% yours, but you are required to train individuals to assist you. These individuals include the Deputy Fire Life Safety Director. It includes brigade members. It includes the floor fire warden that are all on the floors above. And then there are deputy fire wardens. Additionally, you have searchers on the floor. Their responsibility is to canvass the floor, bathrooms, closets, etc., and make sure there are no individuals being left behind. Finally, you're responsible to train the building evacuation supervisor. In the event the building has a small staff under 100, the law requires that there be a building evacuation supervisor. So those are 6 positions you are required to train, or you can delegate it to someone qualified to train them. 6 of them: Deputy Fire Life Safety Director, brigade members, the floor wardens, the deputy wardens, the searchers, and the building evacuation supervisor. For the most part, all those individuals need to know a great deal of the same things. We'll focus on what you would teach a floor warden. The floor warden must know: 1, the building exits, where the stairwells terminate, and they must know an exact evacuation route. So they must know the building exits and the terminations. Secondly, they must know the locations of the stairwells, where those stairwells terminate, and the floors that they serve. 3, they must know elevator locations and the floors that they serve. 4th, explain which stairs are locked and is there a fail-safe device. These things the floor warden needs to know. Floor warden also needs to know what a manual pull is for, manual pull station, where they are located, and how to operate them. The floor warden also needs to know where the warden phones are, where they're located, and how to operate them. The floor warden needs to know where the gathering points are, or the muster points. In addition, floor wardens need to know the 4 concepts that you, as the Fire Life Safety Director, will be incorporating. They are: 1, a total evacuation; 2, a partial evacuation; 3, a in-building relocation; or 4th, sheltering in place. Once again, the floor warden needs to know what procedure is being incorporated at that time. Is it a total evacuation? Is it a partial evacuation? Is it an in-building relocation? Or is it a shelter in place? These floor wardens also need to know how to contact the Fire Life Safety Director by warden phone. They need to be aware that they are not to use the elevators unless instructed to. They are to use the stairwells. As a result, they always need to know where they're located, how many there are, their letter designation, and where they're located. Floor wardens are encouraged to learn how to use a fire extinguisher if needed, and they need to be able to ascertain whether a fire extinguisher would be practical. If the fire is too big, too overwhelming, they should not try to make use of the extinguisher. The fire warden needs to learn how to contact or recontact the fire life safety director once the his or her group has reached the relocating area or the safer area. The warden needs to confirm that all staff are accounted for. The warden needs to inform the fire life safety director of any persons who are not accounted for. And the floor warden must be aware when the fire life safety director or the authorities give an all clear. All clear meaning the threat is diminished or gone, and we can go back to normal activities.